So I'm here at Uwharrie. I'm going to do a little cleanup on Moccasin Creek Road, the main road going in and out that has a bunch of campsites. So up here 3 weeks ago, I picked up 2 trash bags of trash out of one campsite. I think another bag out of another campsite. And that was the only 2 campsites I cleaned. This weekend was opening weekend, so I'm sure the place is trash. We're going to clean up some trash, make the place better for everybody. Fairly clean campsite, except for the shotgun shell.
Can't they read it says please recycle me.
Somebody got their Amazon delivered here. Clean campsite. Look at that. No trash on the roads. LaCroix, bougie campers. There's a Kit Kat wrapper. Yeah.
What is this?
Something tells me that chair's been there a while.
It's a toilet, that's what it is. See? Look
Yeah.
at that. Seriously, they put a bucket underneath it.
Yeah, probably.
All the wipes here. I bet you anything. Think about it.
Yeah. Too good for a bucket. Somebody has a Jeep. We all wished we went places and had a roll of toilet paper left. I guess better to have too much than not enough. Of course, this campsite's clean. I cleaned it up 2 weeks ago. That block of wood is still here. I'm leaving Uwharrie, and I only picked up a bag full of trash. Drove down the whole road, stopped at just about all the campsites, and picked up very minimal trash left. Thank you, everybody, for cleaning up after yourself. I really appreciate it. I was beginning to think that Uwharrie is just filled with yahoos now, trashing the place, but no, it's clean. I'm digging it. I haven't been on the OHV trails. I'm sure that's a different story.